Today we're gonna be making sardines on toast with a lemon garlic aioli and a fresh fennel salad. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get started on our lemon garlic aioli. So I have some mayo here. I'm gonna take the zest, the lemon, and the juice. Take 1 clove of garlic and mix that right in. Season your aioli with a little bit of salt and give that a good mix. So the next step is we're gonna make our fennel salad. I have some fennel here that I've thinly shaved and I've let it sit in ice water to get nice and crisp. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil, some chopped chives, lemon juice, and salt, and that's it. Next step is gonna be toasting our sourdough bread. I'm just gonna season it with some olive oil and some salt and get it into the pan. Get some olive oil in your pan, lay your bread down. We're gonna get it nice and toasted. Once your bread's out of the pan, you wanna take a clove of garlic while your bread is still hot and give it a nice little rub down. It's gonna release all the oils of the garlic and make your toast nice and delicious. Then we're gonna take that lemon garlic mayo and spread it all over. Next, I'm gonna take my Clover Leaf Sardine Fillets in spring water and just lay it down on my toast. These are definitely a go-to for me in my pantry. I love them. They are high in protein, there's no preservatives, and they're absolutely delicious. Then we're gonna garnish with that delicious fennel salad with some fennel fronds. So simple, so delicious. My sardines on toast with lemon garlic aioli and fresh fennel salad. Head to cloverleaf.ca for the recipe.